time signature in the 4/4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the first is improvises D and C. Pull off. C, D, C, D, E, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. Terrible. D, E, D, 3 and 4 and 4 bar, 2 and 3 and 4 and if you have a more understand, you can see this video here. I'm playing fast and slowly with chord. Yes, this is about just melody. What about your the show your chord? Just play with the music fast and slowly. This video just now about you know what your note and rhythm. Yes, bar, note and rhythm. You can find PDF on the Telegram channel here. This link is here. 5 bar. Slide. B with the third finger, A with the 1 finger, glissando B on the C sharp, Terrible. 6, 7, 8 bar, C, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and pull off and hammer on, C sharp, D and C sharp, B, 1 and 8 bar, with the 4 fingers, 7 fret of 4 string, quarter note, G, A, G, G sharp on the 6th fret of 4 string, and 7 fret of 2 string with the I finger and M finger, 8 fret of 2 string, 10 fret of 2 string, A note, B and C, D, C sharp and D, A, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and is it improvised? Yes. Um, 11 bar. B, quarter note, A, B, A, quarter note, 12 bar, G and F sharp, E, 13 bar, F sharp, G, A, G, and F sharp. One and two and three and four and 14 bar, 9th fret of third string, 7th fret of 12th string, 9th fret of third string with the third finger, and D, 7th fret of third string, and with the I finger, and 6th fret of third string. The note is 15 bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Triole, 2/4 note. The note is with the 1 finger, 3rd finger, pull off and hammer on. E, F sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, G and F sharp. 16 bar is silence, and 17 bar, 1 and 2 and repeat. B, D, E, 2/4 note, 1 black, quarter note, quarter note, quarter note, quarter note, 3 and 4 and 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1 and 5th fret of 2 string, and F sharp, E, D, and C sharp. One and two and three and four and one. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe me. Set the bell on all option for enable notification of new posts. Thank you so much. 1 bar, 1 and hammer on. C with A, C with the 3 finger, 4 fret of 3rd string. Next note is with the 4 finger, 6 fret of 3rd string. 22 bar is silence, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 6 fret of 4th string, G sharp, and next with A, G sharp, F sharp, and E. 1, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 27 bar, 1 and 2 and silence, 4/4 note, 1 and 2 and B, C sharp, D, and beyond the 2nd fret of 4th string, 4th fret of 4th string, 4th fret and 5th fret of 5th fret, and the next note is F sharp, E. Legato, pull and hammer on. 27 bar is improvised, yes. Rhythm is not important, but you can attention the rhythm. 1 and 2 and 9 it's better. 9th fret, hammer on with them, legato and hammer on with them. 5 on 4 note. 10th fret of 1 string, 9th fret of 1 string, the 3rd finger, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 29 bar, 1 and 2 and is legato, terriole. And note is B, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp. Pull off, hammer on, hammer on, hammer on, hammer on, hammer on, hammer on, hammer on. With the 1 finger and 2 finger, 7th fret of 2 string and 8. 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 32, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is silence.